Discover the magic of baking soda, 13 essential hacks for your home and beyond. Try these 13 baking soda tricks that will change your life right now. Here are a few examples of how regularly incorporating baking soda into your routine can have a significant positive impact on your health. Sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, is a white powder that finds its primary application in the kitchen. Alternatively, if you are a middle school student, you may know baking soda as the substance used to make a raging volcano at a science fair. What if, however, we told you that baking soda has many additional uses besides these two baking soda? It turns out that baking soda may be used for more than just making baked goods and simulating volcanic eruptions. Now let's get going. 1. Cuts down on canker sores. Canker sores are very painful and uncomfortable, but fortunately, baking soda can help reduce and even completely eliminate the pain. Baking soda is frequently used as a treatment for canker sores because of its alkalinity, which mitigates the irritating effects of acids on the sore, and its antibacterial qualities, which assist in the sore's healing. In a 1973 study, the Sunnybrook Health System established the Mouth Clinic. Over a period of 7 years, more than 3,000 patients visited the clinic. The majority of these patients had chronic ulceration, and the treatment they were receiving was ineffective. The clinic's approach to treating chronic ulceration focused on using mouthwashes made of baking soda and regularly brushing their teeth thoroughly to reduce plaque buildup. As a result, 7 out of 10 patients showed statistically significant improvement after receiving their care. You can use baking soda to make this remedy for yourself. In a small bowl, mix a pinch of baking soda with a tiny amount of water to form a paste. Apply the paste to the painful canker if the thought of doing so gives you the willies. 2. Ease the discomfort of acid reflux. Over 60 million Americans suffer with heartburn, and 15% of the population experiences chronic heartburn on a daily basis when recurring heartburn happens. Although changing your diet is frequently recommended as a treatment, you still need a plan for when heartburn occurs and medication isn't an option. It is suggested that consuming a spoonful or more of handy baking soda and water would help lower stomach acid, but further research is required to support this claim. Since sodium bicarbonate is a natural antacid and a frequent component of many acid reflux treatments, it can be used to treat acid reflux. 3. Eliminates the stench of a dirty fridge. Baking soda removes odors from molecules and prevents food mold. Refrigerator scents are typically caused by yeast or damaged food. Bacteria that break down food in the refrigerator can have offspring. Forest contains either alkaline or acidic chemicals, and depending on when you open the refrigerator door, you can see either butyric acid is a bile-scented fatty acid that is made from old butter, or amines, a basic chemical with a sour smell that is formed from poor meat. Because baking soda is an amphoteric material, it either converts strong alkaline solutions to odorless sodium salts or neutralizes acidic solutions to eliminate odors. Baking soda also lowers the pH of acidic solutions. When ready, place some baking soda on a dish. After turning off the fridge's electricity and taking everything out, place the plate inside and wait for 20 to 30 minutes. This will absorb the odor and leaving your refrigerator feeling fresh. 4. May lessen the discomfort of arthritis. According to research published in 2018, baking soda can help create an anti-inflammatory environment. In an experiment, both humans and animals drank a solution of baking soda mixed with water. This helped treat rheumatoid arthritis by reducing joint inflammation and promoting the body's anti-inflammatory response while reducing the effects of its autoimmune response. Pain, swelling, stiffness, and even the inability of a joint to move could be symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, an inflammatory disease that attacks the body's joints. One kind of immune cell baking soda changed the way that macrophages sent these signals. Instead of sending out a signal of attack, they sent out a message of calm, and as a result, inflammation was reduced. This has the potential to revolutionize the treatment of autoimmune diseases. Macrophages are immune cells that release inflammatory signals upon recognizing a pathogen, such as a virus. 5. Remove stains. It can be very annoying to discover stains on your clothing or furniture, but baking soda can be very helpful in this situation as well. You can make a thick paste with just a quarter cup of water, 4 tablespoons of baking soda, and a small amount of dish soap. All kinds of stains can be removed with this thick paste. Just scrub the stain and wipe it off with a clean cloth to restore your clothes and furniture to their original cleanliness. 6. Whitens teeth. If we don't take care of our teeth, they will show signs of neglect. Brushing alone isn't always enough. Baking soda naturally has the ability to bleach. It has been demonstrated that toothpastes with baking soda in them work better than ones without to get rid of yellow stains. Research indicates that baking soda is an efficient way to get rid of plaque. The alkaline properties of baking soda eliminate bacteria and shield teeth from disintegration. Mix a little lemon juice and baking soda together. Before using lemon juice on your own teeth, be aware that it is not a quick fix and that baking soda is a mild treatment for minor issues but can cause extensive tooth damage in some cases. Lemon juice can help remove stubborn stains from your teeth and gums. 7. Might benefit your kidneys. A few research indicates that using baking soda can improve your health by lowering your chance of getting chronic kidney disease. As the name suggests, this is a dangerous disorder that affects your kidneys particularly, causing them to gradually lose function over time. Because your kidneys filter your blood and remove excess waste, maintaining kidney health is essential to maintaining the health of the rest of your body. If patients with chronic renal disease take a daily dosage of baking soda, they may be able to postpone or perhaps prevent the need for dialysis. Regular use of a baking soda-based supplement decreased the incidence of kidney failure in persons with chronic renal illness by 36%. The results of a randomized controlled trial showed that over the course of 2 years, participants with chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis who took oral bicarbonate supplements benefited from the treatment. Although the study has some limitations, it does provide compelling evidence that these supplements may be useful in the treatment of certain conditions. The researchers have urged more studies to confirm their findings because it is still unclear how this fits into the overall standard treatment plan for those with chronic kidney disease. In actuality, hospitalized patients with severe renal disease may be given these supplements. Anyhow, sodium bicarbonate. 8. Sweets arid skin. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities of baking soda make it a helpful treatment for flaky, itchy skin. Simply whisk together a little amount of coconut oil and baking soda. This will create a beautiful paste that you can press into your skin for up to 5 minutes, which can minimize redness and irritation. Baking soda is also beneficial for dry feet. This treatment just requires 15 to 20 minutes of your time. Soak your feet in warm water, then mix some baking soda with water and rub it in. This will remove all of the dead skin from your feet and even heal damaged heels. 9. A body scrub that works. Making your own all-natural body scrub is a great way to get rid of flaky, dull skin and achieve a radiant complexion. This hack is similar to the one we just mentioned. To make it, mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water to create a thick paste. When you're ready to scrub, apply the paste and massage it into the skin in circular motions. You may notice that your skin looks and feels more radiant and healthy after using this special baking soda paste. 10. Bad breath solution. Everybody has ever woken up with horrible morning breath, yet baking soda works like a charm to freshen your breath. The buildup of acid-forming food particles stuck to your teeth are a typical cause of halitosis, or foul breath. Item may include both unhealthful and nourishing foods, but do you find certain mouthwashes irritating to use? How about using mouthwash made of baking soda to freshen your breath? Just include a small amount of baking soda into your usual warm water splashing routine. Granular baking soda works well for getting into crevices between teeth and other difficult-to-reach areas that you might miss when flossing and brushing. The mildly abrasive properties of baking soda may help remove plaque and whiten teeth, and its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties may help get rid of germs in your mouth that produce foul breath. Research from science verifies that baking soda is a useful remedy for bad breath. 11. Really helpful itchiness from insect bites. Using baking soda might provide some relief from mosquito bites. You can make a paste by combining 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water. After thoroughly combining the two, apply the paste to the bite and let it sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Remember, this is ideal for treating only mosquito bites. If you've been bitten by anything else and are experiencing unusual symptoms, it's important to visit a doctor. 12. All natural deodorant. Most of us have our go-to deodorant like Old Spice, but I thought I'd let you know that baking soda works just as well. Baking soda is an all-natural alternative to commercial deodorant and effectively eliminates underarm stink. A single study involving 63 graduating seniors from the University of Oklahoma College of Medicine tested them once a week for 1 month. While using baking soda as an underarm deodorant, each student was given a questionnaire at the conclusion of the school year to fill out about their use of baking soda as an underarm deodorant. All 63 students agreed that sodium bicarbonate was an effective deodorant, and the majority reported that it did not cause any skin irritation. When baking soda and cornstarch are combined, the potency of the mixture increases. For example, rubbing 1 part baking soda and 1 part cornstarch under the arm will effectively combat body odor. However, make sure the mixture does not dissolve completely. 13. Among its many other possible advantages, it could aid in the battle against cancer. Researchers have demonstrated that baking soda may also help patients undergoing therapy for specific types of cancer. Reduces the acidity of the tumor environment, which makes it easier for chemotherapy drugs to limit the proliferation of cancer cells. However, more research on humans is required to confirm the true efficacy of this idea, as this study is still in its early stages and testing was primarily performed on animals and cell studies. Through these studies, we were able to determine the best baking soda hacks for the body and home, but there are always other signs. Your body sends out warning signals when it's in danger, ranging from vitamin A deficiency symptoms to smelly, lethal farts. To learn more, check out these 9 concerning indicators that your body lacks vitamin E. 10 concerning explanations on why your farts smell so bad. You are free to watch one or both of them. Please let us know in the comments section below whether you plan to use baking soda frequently from now on.